My goodness!
Omar coming, y'all. Omar coming. Come on. Get out of here. Omar coming. Put that shit down. I said Omar coming. Come. Somebody in trouble now. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
All right. This is what you got to do for the prop rod setup. That's the part number right there. MP 1000. I don't know if that's a dash. I guess you could say dash. Yeah, it's a dash 100. It's a 10-inch prop rod. You put that part number in, it'll take you right over to eBay through Google. And then this is what I did. When you got your little hinge or whatever, you gotta sand all that off, get rid of that, and then punch that hole out. And then it's pretty much that connecting piece that's from here to here. You get rid of that. And then I'll attach some pictures of exactly what you need to buy to do all this, because it's like a little round ball thing, but I don't know the name of it off top. So I'll throw some pictures in here of exactly what is needed. All right, so here's a OG one. So this is the piece that you would have to grind out. Grind that out, because you're gonna have to put the prop rod bolt through this hole right here. So you grind this out, because you want to get rid of this scissor mechanism right here. Grind that out. I believe it's a 10mm ball joint. Try to put a screenshot in here. This motherfucker even shut solid. But I'll try to put a screenshot in here of exactly which one to get.
24 hours later.
About 16988. We go back to the future there. Get that bucket laser 88 miles per hour. Toward the tower side.
Benefit of going to the track last night. Ran into JTR. Told me to bring the car Monday, but today is Saturday. He said if I had it up there by 12, good to go. What's up, big dog?
I just want to go to Sky Zone again.
You want to go to Sky Zone again?
You're not? No, you're not. Stop.
That's what's up. Now watch out. You in the middle of my video, cuz. But yeah, waiting on Kendall get up here. He gonna tow me up to the JTR. Hopefully get all of the stuff worked out in the tune. So some of the changes I made and PCB issue fixed and all that. Hopefully
Never happened. Never happened.
Get some stuff ironed out. Well, pick up my car. See his car.
He's cooked.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Happy feelings in the air.
Well, I never got the footage of it on the tow truck, but got it back from JTR. Drove it all the way back here, actually. Here, let me see. Could show a little proof. I put miles on it. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Come on, Lee. Let's see. As you can see, it is now up to 74.9.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh man, so let me get up out of here. Matter of fact,
24 hours later.
I don't exactly know how you lose a spring, but lost mine when I dropped the car off. So now I had to go buy another one from Mike's Monty. Yeah, I gotta figure this one to come out. So now I gotta figure out how to get this in here tighter. Maybe this little right there. Yeah, that part right there. Probably gotta find a way to knock that back a little bit. But new spring. Not something I particularly cared to buy, but while I'm here, so I gotta reroute this fuel system a little bit. Yeah, not really feeling like it, but it is what it is. So, like I said, gotta knock that scissor part out. Prop rod, ball studs. Let's see. Hold on. All right, so I gotta go back to my my Amazon and show the ball studs that I got. It'll all be added in this video. I forgot who asked me. My apologies, but yeah, this is how you do it. Just this simple. So, but I'm gonna come back, take this all apart, cause these are my extras, and I'll probably buy another set, seeing that I'm probably gonna do the same thing on this hearse, but sand this all up, paint it, or whatever. But that's how you get your prop rod versus, excuse me, spending all that money on them billet ones for Lord knows what reason. But yeah, that's how you get a prop rod in there. When you get rid of this scissor mechanism and all this, I took this mod from Nova 2 Nut.